ODP has to be opened up every 5 years. You see, that is the as per the Town Planning Act. 5 वर्षांनी रिवाइज करपाक जाय.
But now it is
कर्ज वाडटा पळय ते कर्ज अकोमोडेट करपाक. It's nothing permanent. Regional ban is not permanent. Neither is the ODP permanent. As per the act itself, the time frame Delhi kenna revise करपा जाय कितें करपा जाय. And these are all functions of the town planning department.
So which will be the next batch of cities that will be places?
All which are in the ODPs. All which are under the ODPs.
No, but then you
like
have gone
Mapsa,
for...
Panji, Madgaon, Fatorda, Ponda, Margaon, then Vasco, then part of Daboli, I think, part of Murmugaon. These are about 8 cities, I think, which will be affected by the ODPs.
ODPs. It will happen in the next 2 months or whatever.
Maybe maximum 3 months.
Maximum 3 months.
One month for objection suggestion,
Okay.
maybe 1 or 2 months for scrutiny, and 1 month for preparation of the final draft.